So let's start this beautiful session. Hello dear friends, मैं हूँ आपका अपना डॉक्टर श्रीकांत वर्मा. Very warm welcome to all of you at this beautiful amazing session, at this amazing beautiful platform. Yes, this is the session for the first prof university exam. This is the bullet train revision for the pharynx. Okay, so first of all, what is the pharynx? What is the pharynx? So let's revise quickly. Sir, we know there is the trachea. The upper end of the trachea is known as larynx. Any doubt? Upper end of the trachea is known as the larynx. Yes, there is the esophagus. The upper end of the esophagus is known as the pharynx. The upper end of the esophagus is known as the pharynx. So with the beautiful three-dimensional anatomy, yes, lal fool, neela fool, anatomy, beautiful. So with this beautiful three-dimensional animation, I'm going to show you the pharynx. Can you see in this 3D view? Yes, you can see the liver, you can see the stomach, and here you can see the esophagus. Just observe, sir, this esophagus, sir, upper dilated part of the esophagus is the our pharynx. So when you're looking from the lateral side, sir, this is the esophagus. Upper part is the pharynx. Can you see? This is the very wide muscular tube which is located. Here is the nose. Yes, this is the tongue. Behind the nose, nasopharynx. Behind the oral cavity, oropharynx. And here will be the larynx. So behind the larynx, can you see? This is the epiglottis. Yes, sir. This is the epiglottis. Our leaf-like structure behind the larynx. Sir, this will be the laryngopharynx. Hope you all are getting the point. Okay, yes, Rishabh, how are you, beta? Good evening. Prashant, good evening, beta. Yes, hello, handsome Prashant, how are you, beta? Okay, sir. So this is our pharynx. So after this discussion, we are going to look for the other point. Can you see this beautiful image, sir? This is the quick revision session for the first prof. Sir, this is the nose, this is the upper lip, and here is the lower lip. Yes, try to understand, sir. This is the our tongue, the song dedicated to the tongue. Do you remember? तूने मारी एंट्रियां तो दिल में बजी घंटियां रे टंग 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 टंग. So remember this one? Yes, tongue is here. So definitely this separation between the oral cavity and the nasal cavity is our palate. Yes, sir. This is our hard palate, and behind to it there is a soft palate. So you can see, sir, this is our epiglottis part. So just observe this point, sir. This is our nasal cavity, oral cavity, and here is the our larynx. So the part behind the nasal cavity is nasopharynx, shown in this image with the blue color, oropharynx which is shown with the green color, and just behind the larynx shown with the purple color. Sir, this is the laryngopharynx. Agree, beta? Hope you are getting the point. So now try to understand further. Yes. Okay, yes, medic man, love from Pakistan. So thank you dear medic man. So students not only from the India but also from the Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Russia, Bhutan, all are joining. So thank you for your love and support. Yes, medic man is saying I cleared my PG exam by studying your anatomy rapid revision. Okay, thank you medic man. So beautiful lines. Okay, so we are going to proceed. हमारा साथ कभी नहीं छूटेगा बेटा. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is the our pharynx. So beautiful relation. So try to understand the most difficult part. The most difficult part of the anatomy we are doing very easy. Relation of the pharynx. Let's start the relation of the pharynx. What is the pharynx? Remember, the upper part of the esophagus is known as the pharynx. It is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Very important for the surgery, very important for the ENT, very important for the radiology. Every subject, remember, anatomy is the basic. So can you tell me what is the superior relation? Sir, superiorly there is the base of the skull, MCQ. Yes, what is the inferior relation of the nasopharynx? Sir, remember oropharynx. So in the first MBBS, your MCQ will be also asked. So you can see, जो दिखता है वो कहना है. You can see the inferior relation of the nasopharynx is oropharynx. Can you see the anterior relation? Tell me, beta. Tell me. Keep commenting. Yes, Alka. Good evening, beta. Tell me what is the anterior relation of the nasopharynx. अब भी याद रखना है. Anterior it is related with the nasal cavity. And what is posterior relation? Just see here, beta. Sir, these box-like structures are the vertebra. So this is the our first cervical vertebra. Here you can see the second and third cervical vertebra, and you can see the fourth, fifth, and the sixth cervical vertebra. So easy. Remember, beta, the posterior relation of the first part one cervical vertebra. So nasopharynx is only related with the first cervical vertebra. So very difficult part of the surgery, medicine, and radiology we are doing very easy. Remember the first MBBS. If your first MBBS is strong, then every subject will be stronger and stronger. You can see the nasopharynx posteriorly it is related with the first cervical vertebra. The oropharynx is related with the our second and third cervical vertebra. Second part, remember the next two cervical vertebra, and this is our third part. So third part is related with the next three cervical vertebra. So easy. First part, one cervical vertebra. Yes, one cervical vertebra. Second part, next two cervical vertebra. Third part, next three cervical vertebra. So beautiful. It is the most difficult part of the our pharynx in ENT medicine surgery, the posterior relation, because you will do the esophagoscopy, pharyngoscopy, endoscopy. So you must know this posterior relation very easy. First cervical vertebra, please repeat with me. Yes, C1, next two cervical vertebra, C2 and C3, and next three cervical vertebra beta. Yes, C4, C5, C6. So pharynx ends at which level? Pharynx ends at which level? MCQ. Yes, your very important question, C6. Remember beta, C6 at this level the pharynx is ending. Agree beta? Yes, Devendra, love you beta, love you too much. Okay, now try to understand. Wow, medic man, the student from the Pakistan, I am allocated in general medicine specialization. So beautiful medic man. So big salute to you. You are preparing very nice. So he is connected since the first MBBS with us, and now he is getting selection. He got selection in the general medicine specialization in Pakistan. So beautiful medic man. All the best beta. Okay sir. So now we are going to look the points. Beta, first MBBS exam we have to write. So here I prepared the notes with the bullet train revision. How you will define the pharynx? You will write down the first one. You have to do the point wise description in our how to crack the first university exam. I told you, if your basics are strong, then you will be able to crack each and every exam. So first point, sir, it is wide muscular tube. Okay sir. Second, where it is located? Behind nose, mouth and larynx. Third point you can write down. It is upper part of esophagus. It is upper part of esophagus. Okay sir. Dimension. So what is the length? Sir, it is 12 to 14 centimeter. It is 12 to 14 centimeter. Okay sir. So try to understand. Yes. I'm coming close to you. Sir, this is my nose, mouth, and here is the larynx. So just behind it, from the base of the skull up to this part, this is approximately one scale length 15 centimeter. छोटी स्केल 15 सेंटीमीटर की होती है. Yes, 15 centimeter. So from the base of the skull up to the our C6 cricopharyngeal junction. This is the extent of the your pharynx. Just do this one. This is the your pharynx. So what are the part? Behind the nose, nasopharynx, behind the oral cavity, oral pharynx, and behind the larynx, laryngopharynx. Okay sir. So it is very easy. One easy diagrammatic presentation here for all of you. लुक हियर बेटा, एनाटॉमी है तो डायग्राम तो बनाना पड़ेगा. डायग्राम इज एनाटॉमी, एनाटॉमी इज डायग्राम. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. सर, दिस इज अवर esophagus. Yes sir, it is our esophagus. GIT tube. Now can you see the upper dilated part of the esophagus? Funnel like dilated part. Yes, it is the pharynx. So can you see what is the diameter of the pharynx? Sir, it is 3.5 centimeter at the upper end, and lower end 1.5 centimeter. And what is the length? 14 centimeter. Remember this MCQ, this is considered as the narrowest part of GIT. Yes, narrowest part of the GIT, that is the our junction between the pharynx and esophagus. So you can say pharyngo-esophageal junction. Pharyngo-esophageal junction is the narrowest part of GIT. What is the diameter? Remember beta, it is only 1.5 centimeter. But Gray's Anatomy 42nd edition update. Remember the vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix is having the 1 millimeter diameter. Yes sir. But this appendix is which structure? Vermiform appendix. But remember, this appendix is not considered the part of the GIT clinically. Why? Because our endoscope is not going there. Also physiologically. Why? Because the food particle is not reaching into the our vermiform appendix. That's why appendix is not considered clinically and physiologically the part of the GIT. So this is not the narrowest part. Yes, but anatomically, structurally, the narrowest part of the GIT, vermiform appendix, 1 millimeter is the diameter. But yes, if anatomy is not asked, clinical point is asked in your NEET PG INICT different kind of NEET PG exam, FMG exam, then what you have to say? The narrowest part of the GIT is your cricopharyngeal junction or pharyngoesophageal junction. This is nothing, this is the cricopharyngeal junction. Agree beta? Got everyone? Okay sir. So yes, emotion should be there, emotion. Beta ye online class hai, and in the online class there should be lots of the emoji, there should be the lots of the emoji. अगर मान लो इमोजी आएगा तो मेरी एनर्जी और बढ़ेगी और इस तरीके से बेटा हम बढ़िया से मजेदार तरीके से पढ़ते रहेंगे. और रिमेंबर बेटा ये एग्जाम की घड़ी आ गई है. सो रिमेंबर, जिसको जो कहना है कहने दो, अपना क्या जाता है. ये वक्त वक्त की बात है और वक्त सभी का आता है. मेरे दोस्तों एग्जाम की घड़ी पास आ गई है और हमको घबराना नहीं, हमको मिलकर के इस जंग का मुकाबला करना है. सो जस्ट लॉट्स ऑफ द फन आल्सो विल बी देयर इन दिस क्लास. सो गेट रेडी फॉर लॉट्स ऑफ द फन. ओके, होप यू ऑल आर एंजॉयिंग द सेशन. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू सर, दीज आर द डायमेंशन ऑफ द फेरिंग्स. यस, इमोजीज उड़ते रहने चाहिए, इमोजीज उड़ते रहने चाहिए. फाइन. ओके सर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट. आई टोल्ड यू लेंथ 14 सेंटीमीटर, अपर डायमीटर 3.5 centimeter, lower diameter 1.5 centimeter. Agree? Okay sir. So now we are going to look for the parts. Yes, I told you this is the diagrammatic presentation during the detailed class. We drawn this one. Again, how to draw during the exam? So what you have to remember, sir, this is our forehead, nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin. Okay sir, and this is the neck part. Correct sir. Now just you have to draw this line, simple line. This is the base of the skull. This is the sella turcica. Yes, it is the base of the skull. ये बन जाएगा बेटा डायग्राम. ओके सर. हियर इज अवर फ्रंटल एयर साइनस. ओके सर. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इन द ओरल कैविटी देयर इज अ टंग. यस सर, दिस इज द ओरल कैविटी एंड द रूफ ऑफ द ओरल कैविटी, दिस इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द हार्ड पैलेट पोस्टली रिलेटेड विद द सॉफ्ट पैलेट. ओके सर. एंड दिस इज द पार्ट वेयर वी आर शोइंग द आवर थायराइड कार्टिलेज. यस, इन दिस वे you have drawn. Okay, and this is our cricoid cartilage and this is the trachea. So this is the way how you have to draw. So this is the larynx. Now try to understand, just behind the our, yes, the base of the skull, you will see the first cervical vertebra, second cervical vertebra, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so on. Yes, so continuation of the larynx is our trachea. Just behind the trachea, sir, there is the esophagus, and behind the esophagus there is the our vertebra. Yes sir, it is vertebra. So what is your mnemonic, sir? What is your mnemonic, sir? Remember, V for vertebra, O for esophagus, T for trachea. So our mnemonic is the VOT. Do you remember? पहले के नेता कहते थे तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. आज के नेता कहते हैं तुम मुझे VOT वोट दो मैं तुम्हें बर्बादी दूंगा. सो रिमेंबर VOT. V for vertebra, then O for esophagus, then T for trachea. So in the our neck the trachea is on the front. Okay sir. Now try to understand. Sir, there is our C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 and continuation is the esophagus. So what are the parts? Nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. So you have to draw this diagram. Again I want to revise the superior relation. Yes. Tell me in the comment box. Tell me in the comment box beta. Yes. Very good. Emojis are there. Why? Fine. Okay. चलो तो इसी बात पर एक बढ़िया सी चीज हम आप लोगों के लिए पेश करते हैं आप लोगों की खिदमत में. Yes बेटा, रिमेंबर, रहने दे आसमां जमी की तलाश कर, सब कुछ यही है कहीं और नहीं तलाश कर. हर आरज़ू पूरी हो तो जीने का क्या मजा है. अगर हमारी जिंदगी की हर तमन्ना पूरी हो जाए तो जीने में क्या मजा आएगा. हर आरज़ू पूरी हो तो जीने का क्या मजा है. जीने के लिए कम से कम एक कमी की तलाश कर. हमारी जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई एक कमी रहती है जिसके लिए हम बड़ी शिद्दत से जान से लगे रहते हैं और जिस दिन वो कमी पूरी होती है वो दिन हमारे लिए दिवाली, होली, ईद, इन सभी से बड़ा दिन होता है. सो लेट्स डू हार्ड वर्क फॉर दैट डे. सो कैन यू टेल मी अगेन बेटा. सर, nasopharynx, superior relation, base of the skull, inferior relation, oropharynx, anterior relation, nasal cavity, posterior relation, first cervical vertebra, clear, oropharynx. Now try to understand oropharynx, superior relation. Yes, our oropharynx, superior relation, nasopharynx, inferior relation, laryngopharynx, anterior relation, sir, that is the our oral cavity, and the posterior relation, the second part. So second cervical vertebra, C2 and C3. Yes, and now can you see the laryngopharynx relation? Yes, superior relation, oropharynx, inferior relation, esophagus, anterior relation, larynx, and the posterior relation. Can you see C4, C5, C6? Yes, sir. C4, C5, C6. These are the vertebra. Getting the point? Okay, sir. Remember this point, sir. This is our narrowest part of the GIT, cricopharyngeal junction. What is the dimension? 1.5 centimeter. MCQ. And there is the lumen of the appendix according to the our Gray's Anatomy 42nd edition. Remember, the appendicular lumen is 1 to 2 millimeter, just like the matchstick, माचिस की तीली के बराबर. But remember, clinically this appendix is not considered the part of the GIT. So this is a beautiful integration for all of you. Yes, दिल उड़ रहे हैं, देखो कितने प्यारे अपडेट देख करके दिल उड़ रहे हैं. So thank you everyone. Hope you all are liking. Now look here, what you have to mention. Parts of the pharynx: nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. So boundary. So this is the notes. First MBBS. Hey boys, relax. Here is the notes. Okay. लप्पू सा एग्जाम है, झिंगूर जैसे क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे ही क्रैक कर देंगे. कुछ रखा तोड़ी है एग्जाम में. Let's move. What is the relation of the nasopharynx? Sir, superior relation. If you will write in such kind of manner, external will check and he will give the too much marks because you are presenting the answer very beautifully. Yes. So this is the first part, superior base of the skull, inferior oropharynx. Anterior relation, nasal cavity. Posterior relation, yes, base of the skull and the first cervical vertebra. Now describe it in the paragraph, but this is the flow chart. Now can you see the relation of the oropharynx? Let's start the relation of the oropharynx. Sir, oropharynx is the second part. Sir, superiorly it is related with nasopharynx. Inferiorly it is related with, yes, laryngopharynx. मजा नहीं आ रहा है यार, कमेंट नहीं हो रहा है यार तुम लोग कमेंट करो यार, है ना. देखो मेरे को जादू भी आती है, कमेंट करो, अदरवाइज यस मैं जादूगरी से गायब हो जाऊंगा. यस, कैन यू सी, जय काली कलकत्ते वाली तेरा वचन न जाए खाली. बेटा जादू है, सर गायब हो गए. कमेंट होते रहनी चाहिए जिंदगी में बेटा, ऐसा भी बहुत टेंशन है. ओके, जब कमेंट आते हैं तो आपको भी मजा आएगा और मुझको भी मजा आएगा. चलो आबरा काडाबरा गीले गीले छू. यस, फिर से आ गए. सो कीप कमेंटिंग एंड यस देयर योर इमोजीज शुड बी देयर ना, तभी बेटा पढ़ने का मजा जब आपके में और मेरे में इंटरेक्शन होता रहे. वी हैव टू डू प्रॉपर इंटरेक्शन. इफ नो इंटरेक्शन, नो एंजॉयमेंट एंड स्टडी इज टू मच स्ट्रेसफुल, वी हैव टू मेक दिस स्ट्रेसफुल प्रोसीजर light, very funny, and we can retain this all the things of the beautiful concept, because when we are happy in mood, then we can absorb more and more things. Okay, yes, thank you Glory, thank you cardiologist, thank you. So keep commenting beta. Yes, so now come to the oropharynx second part. Superior relation nasopharynx, inferior relation laryngopharynx, anterior relation oral cavity, posterior relation. Sir, this is the second part, so you have to give the answer next to cervical vertebra, the C2 and C3 body. Agree everybody? Okay, yes. So Rishabh, Prashant, Medic Man, Alka, Devendra, Glory, cardiologist, hope you all are understanding. Okay sir, now look for the our laryngopharynx relation. Sir, laryngopharynx relation, sir, this is the third part. Superior relation oropharynx, inferior relation esophagus, anterior relation, sir, this is our larynx, and the posterior relation next three cervical vertebra, C4, C5, C6. So remember where this our pharynx is ending. Very important Viva question, MCQ question, C6 vertebra. Remember beta, if your first MBBS is strong, then each and every exam is stronger and is stronger. Getting the point beta? Okay sir. So now try to understand the narrowest part of the GIT is the cricopharyngeal junction. Now extent of the pharynx. So you have to mention, you have to give the heading and you have to write the few points. इतना अगर करोगे बहुत बढ़िया मार्क्स मिलेगा बेटा, गोल्ड मेडल मिलेगा. यस, इट इज माय प्रॉमिस, गोल्ड मेडल मिलेगा. 2020 इस बैच में लॉकडाउन लगा था, हम लोगों ने एनाटॉमी पढ़ी थी, इतनी एनाटॉमी पढ़ी थी, वी स्टडी टू मच एनाटॉमी, 9 टाइम्स एनाटॉमी, एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स दे वर गेटिंग द मार्क्स 80%, 75%, gold medal. So this is the same notes. Remember beta, point wise description, exact description, proper diagram, heading, it will give the marks. So extent of the pharynx, it is starting from base of the skull. What you have to write down? Base of the skull. Where it is ending? At the cricopharyngeal junction. At which vertebral level? C6 vertebral level. Getting the point? And this notes will be available within our app. Na? Remember, this notes will be available within the app. Don't worry. Yes, just focus and enjoy. And you will see in your BD Chaurasia sir, in your, Vishram Singh sir, such kind of the table. Sir, this is the same. The Parts of the pharynx: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Correct, sir. Nasopharynx, oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. You had seen the situation, you had seen the extent, you had seen the communication. Yes, nerve supply, I will tell you at the end. Anterior, posterior, lateral, this all the things. Can you see lining epithelium? Extra thing we are looking through this table. Lining epithelium. Sir, nasopharynx, nose, respiratory pathway. So ciliated columnar epithelium. Your MCQ as well as Viva question. What is the function? Sir, it is nasopharynx. So only the air. Okay, sir. Can you see our oropharynx? Oropharynx. Sir, oral cavity, there is a friction and it is weight. And I told you in the histology section that whenever there is a friction and there is the weight, that's a non-keratinized. If dry, then keratinized. If wet, non-keratinized. Sorry. Whenever we are taking the class offline, there are three groups. Right side team moe moe, middle खौफ not डकैत, and left side बड़े मनहूस लग रहे हो यार, just for fun, just like the दीवाने परवाने मस्ताने. And anyone if sneezing in that situation, yes, topic is important, and when I am sneezing, then it is very important. So pharynx is important. This our yes parts and the lining epithelium is important for the histology. Okay, sir. So there is a friction. So stratified squamous epithelium, and sir, here there is the pathway for the food as well as air. Okay, sir. Now the another point. Look, sir, for the our laryngopharynx, sir, laryngopharynx only food. Air will not enter, otherwise air will reach into the esophagus and stomach. And can you see there is the our stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Agree, beta? Hope you are getting. Yes, thank you, cardiologist. Thank you. Hope you are getting the point. So these are the points. Now the doubt session. So there was the one question, Heimlich maneuver. This is the Heimlich maneuver. So whenever any person is having the foreign body in the GIT, sir, few golden points. So what you have to do? Yes, foreign body is going inside or in the respiratory pathway, because both pathway are common. Both pathway are common. Where? Sir, both pathway are common at this our, yes, you can see oral cavity part. So from the nasal cavity, air is going from the our, yes, nasal cavity, nasopharynx, then oropharynx, and then into the larynx. So this is a pathway for the air. But food pathway, oral cavity, oropharynx. So oral pharynx is the common pathway, but it will go to the your, yes, esophagus. But sometime when the foreign body is reaching into the our, yes, you can see the respiratory pathway, then what you have to do? You have to go backside. This is the patient. Yes, sir. He is the patient. You have to go. Yes, this is the doctor. You have to go behind. You have to make the fist and you have to put at the, yes, epigastric area. Then you have to make forcefully thrush. Okay. So due to this activity, there is the force to the our diaphragm. Yes, it will cause the compression of the lung. Forcefully cough will come and it will cause exhalation, forcefully expulsion of the foreign body. So this is your Heimlich maneuver. Few golden points. Now try to understand. We are going to understand the pharynx, the ENT subject, surgery subject. We are going to cut the pharynx here, from here, and we are going to look from the back side. So can you see how this pharynx is appearing? Sir, this is base of the skull for the INICT, for the NEET PG exams. Can you see? Sir, there is the our nasal cavity. Can you see this is the nasal cavity? Okay, sir. And in between them there is our nasal septum. Yes, sir. Here is a nasal septum. Okay. Now look on the below side. This is our tongue part, and tongue is having the uvula. Okay, sir. There is our uvula. So you can observe, sir. This is our tongue part. Yes, this is the palate part, and this is our uvula. So you can see this is the oral cavity. Yes, sir. Nasal cavity, nasal septum, oral cavity, tonsil. And you can see beautifully the leaf-like structure. This leaf-like structure is our what, sir? This is the epiglottis. When we perform the ventilation, then the ventilator tube must go within this epiglottis. This is the laryngeal inlet. Yes, cardiologist, you are right. It is important topic, very important topic. Yes, Alka. Now try to understand. This is our what, sir? This is the C-shaped cartilage. Try to understand this one, sir. This C-shaped cartilage is our trachea. Remember, trachea is on the front, esophagus is behind. So you are looking from the back side. पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती है और समझ में नहीं आता ये व्यू कौन सा है। रिमेंबर बेटा, इट इज पोस्टीरियर साइड, यू आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम द बैक। एग्री बेटा? ओके सर, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्दर। सर, this is our nasal cavity. So on each side of the nasal cavity there is the opening of the auditory tube. Very important. Yes, the nasal cavity is connected with the auditory tube. That's why whenever there is the blast, then sudden change in the pressure of the atmospheric pressure, and then it will reach to the our ear, and through the auditory tube it is reaching to the our nasal cavity. Getting the point? That's why during the blast our mouth is getting open. So during the blast our mouth is getting open, so pressure is going from inside, pressure is coming from the outside, so tympanic membrane is compensating and it is not getting ruptured. So this is the reflex mechanism. Whenever there is a blast, our mouth is getting open to compensate the pressure on each side of the tympanic membrane. Remember, this is the opening of the auditory tube on each side of the nasal cavity. Very important relation for the surgery, medicine, as well as ENT, as well as radio. ओके सर, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। यस 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 यस, अरे भाई इमोजीज नहीं उड़ रहे हैं, इमोजीज नहीं उड़ रहे हैं, चलो इमोजीज उड़ाओ, इमोजीज उड़ाओ। सो व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू, रिमेंबर बेटा, चलो कुछ शायरियां मार देते, कुछ बढ़िया सी लाइन मार देते हैं आप सभी लोगों के लिए। सर रिमेंबर, यस, अर्ज किया है, शायरी सुना रहा हूं, जरा गौर से सुनना। अर्ज किया है, शायरी सुना रहा हूं, जरा गौर से सुनना। मुझे शायरी नहीं आती, किसी और से सुनना। बोलो वाह वाह। बेटा हमारी क्लासेस में खूब शायरियां चलती है, और जो भी बच्चा बीच में क्लास में अगर इरशाद बोल देता है तो हमको अर्ज करना पड़ जाता है। तो कभी भी पढ़ते पढ़ते अगर बोर लग जाए तो टाइप कर दिया करो इरशाद, एक शायरी हम इधर से मार देंगे। ओके, होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट। ओके सर, सो दिस इज अवर व्हाट? Yes, sir. This is the our larynx. So this posterior part is the our laryngopharynx. So on each side of the oral cavity, oropharynx. Can you see this location? Yes. Try to understand. In the oral cavity, on each side, tonsil is located. So lateral relation of the pharynx is tonsil, and this is the our what? Sir, this is our laryngopharynx. So in the laryngopharynx, on each side, can you see there is a pear-shaped fossa, pyriform fossa, which is also known as the smuggler fossa. Very important question, practical viva question for the university exam. Smuggler fossa. Yes, smuggler fossa. Which structure is known as the smuggler fossa? Remember beta, this pear-shaped fossa, the pyriform fossa is known as the smuggler fossa. Kyun? Because the smugglers, they are taking them. Yes, smugglers, they are taking the diamond and they are putting this diamond into the our oral cavity. Yes, into the our oral cavity. Can you see? Yes, look here, I am trying to show you. Yes, this is our laryngopharynx. In the laryngopharynx, on each side, can you see the two pear shaped fossa, अमरूद की तरह? Yes, pear shaped fossa, and this is the site where the smuggler can hide the diamond and they can go for the security checking. Security, they are checking all around, but here is the diamond in the neck and he's passing from one country to the another country. That's why remember, this pyriform fossa is known as the our, yes, smuggler fossa. And there is one nerve is seen at the floor of the pyriform fossa. This is nothing, this is the internal laryngeal nerve. Remember, this internal laryngeal nerve is the nerve supply, sensory nerve supply in the larynx above the vocal cord. So suppose a smuggler is carrying the diamond and unfortunately it is getting cut, so sensory nerve supply above the vocal cord lost. So if any foreign body is reaching in the larynx, no cough will be there, the foreign body will reach into the trachea and there will be the happy birthday, there will be the death. So remember, this very very important topic, don't forget it, don't forget it, it is very important. The smuggler fossa, pyriform fossa, very important topic for the first MBBS student, very important. And for the NEET PG, this is the your MCQ, smuggler fossa, pyriform fossa. Okay sir, so you can remember this lateral relation with this diagrammatic presentation, how to represent in the our first MBBS university exam. See here, suppose this is our what? This is our nasopharynx, this is our oropharynx and this is the laryngopharynx. Yes, thank you Alka. किसको किसको मजा आया? जिसको जिसको मजा आया सब के सब यस 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 हार्ट 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 टाइप करो। जैसे मैंने अपना एक दिल दे दिया, चलो मैंने अपना एक दिल दे दिया। यस, जिसको जिसको पसंद आया बेटा हार्ट 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 टॉप करते चले जाओ। डॉक्टर श्रीकांत वर्मा क्लासेस, मैंने एक टाइप कर दिया बेटा हार्ट। चलो मैं देखना चाहता हूं कि किस किस बच्चे को मजा आ रहा है। जितने बच्चों को मजा आएगा उतना ज्यादा हमारी एनर्जी बढ़ेगी। सो होप यू ऑल आर एंजॉयिंग बेटा, एंड प्लीज सेंड दिस लिंक टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर हैविंग द यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम क्लोज, एंड ऑल्सो टू ऑल द नीट पीजी INICET, because if your theory is strong, every exam you can crack. Okay, sir. So what I want to tell you, sir, this is our nasopharynx. Yes, Saharika is here. Thank you, Saharika. Thank you. Sorry. So this is the nasopharynx. Here is the oropharynx. This is the laryngopharynx. You can show on each side of the nasopharynx, opening of the auditory tube. One question. Can you see on each side of the oropharynx there is the presence of the tonsil within the tonsil fossa? Another very important question. No excuse. Laryngopharynx on each side it is related with the our smuggler fossa, pyriform fossa, and I had made the diamond here. Yes, यहीं पर हम हीरे को डायमंड को छुपा करके एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में स्मगलरिंग कर सकते हैं. क्या बात है सर. सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट सर. दिस इज आवर pyriform fossa, smuggler fossa. Diamond is hidden here, so injury to this one will cause damage to the internal laryngeal nerve at the floor it is present. Now try to understand. It will lead to the loss of the cuff reflex, which may lead to the happy birthday. Hope you are understanding the point, beta. Hope you are getting the point. Okay, now what are our different structures? What are our different structures? So we are cutting the our pharynx and we are going to see the relation. So when we will do dissection, sir, pharynx is nothing. It is the part of the GIT, and GIT is having the layer. What are the layer? Mucosa. Inside the mucosa, submucosa, and below to it there will be the muscle, and outside, sir, there is the adventitia, connective tissue. Okay, yes. So in the similar way, here is the same kind of the layer, but in between there is the our fascia. बस इतना याद रखना बेटा. Sir, there is the one fascia inner side which is related to the pharynx. That's why pharyngo, and it is attached to the base of the skull. That's why basilar. So you can remember the PB fascia. And then there is a muscle layer. Outside the muscle layer, outermost layer, there is a one more fascia. Yes, it is related with the buccal cavity. So bucco, and it is related with the pharynx. So pharyngeal, buccopharyngeal fascia. Yes, sir, it is our buccopharyngeal fascia. So remember, this is your BP fascia, PB fascia, and here is the your BP fascia. Okay, sir. Now again try to understand. Sir, in between them there is the muscle coat and the nerve supply and blood supply of the pharynx. Yes, sir. So muscle coat, it is having the three outer muscle and the three inner muscle. Yes, sir. Outer three muscle and inner three muscles are present. Yes. So these are the points which you have to remember. So these are the layers. So in our BD Chaurus, yes, sir. In our Vishram Singh anatomy, sir. Yes. Any textbook you will see, you will observe the layer of the pharynx. So can you revise with me? First year के प्यारे प्यारे मासूम मासूम बच्चों, फर्स्ट ईयर के प्यारे प्यार निब्बा और निब्बियों. Can you remember, beta? Sir, the first layer is our mucosa. Okay, sir. Second layer, can you see there is the our fascia? Sir, this is the fascia auditory tube which is in between the our, yes, can you see the fascia? In between them the auditory tube is piercing. Now it is depleting into the 1 and 2 layer. Yes, sir. This particular layer is our pharyngobasilar fascia. Okay, sir. And you can see there is our constrictor muscle. I will teach you superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. I will teach you. Okay. So you can see, sir, there is our mucosa, and then in between, below this our mucosa, submucosa. Then third layer is our, yes, you can observe the fascia. Which fascia? PB fascia, pharyngobasilar fascia. Then you can see the muscles and the blood vessels, and then you can see the buccopharyngeal fascia. So these are the layers you can remember with this flow chart. Agree, beta? Everyone getting the point? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yes, please spread this link to every first MBBS students of the India as well as outside the India. This is a dedicated session for the first MBBS student. So we are talking about our muscles, 3 outer, 3 inner muscle. We are first talking about the muscle, 6 muscle total. How many muscles in the pharynx? Very important, sir. 6 muscle, 3 outer muscle, 3 inner muscle. Agree? So you can see the 3 outer muscle, these are known as the constrictor muscle. 3 inner muscle, these are the longitudinal muscle. How? Just observe. Sir, there are the 3 constrictor. What you can remember? Superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. Just like the one disposal into the another disposal. यस, जस्ट लाइक द वन पॉट इनटू द अदर पॉट। जब हम गमले को रखते हैं ना, डिस्पोजल को, एक डिस्पोजल को दूसरे में, दूसरे को तीसरे में, तो जस्ट इस तरीके का अरेंजमेंट आपको मिलेगा। जस्ट सेम काइंड ऑफ द मैनर दिस कंस्ट्रक्टर आर अरेंज। नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, these muscles are rounded. So when this muscle will contract, what will happen? This will cause a narrowing of the pharynx. Yes, it will cause a narrowing of the pharynx. That's why these all are known as the constrictor. There are the three constrictor. What are the three constrictor? Remember beta, superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. Don't forget, very easy. Three circular muscle, three constrictor muscles in the our pharynx, just arrange like the one disposal into the another. Agree beta? Hope you all are getting the point. Okay, now look here, when we are cutting this our constrictor muscle in this plane, कैसे काटना है? Yes, ऐसे. Here is the constrictor, so we are cutting in this way. Try to understand. Suppose this is the one constrictor, okay, so it is rounded, so when it will contract, it will close. Now we are going to cut it. We are cutting it in this way from here. Okay, so we are cutting from here. So how it will appear? It will appear longitudinal in section. So try to understand better. Just observe here. Yes, sir. Look here. Look here. Yes. Try to understand. When you will cut, it will appear in such kind of the way. So this is the INICET question. INICET question right now. Okay. So this is the our base of the skull. Okay, sir. Fine. Now try to understand, when you will cut, you will see the superior constrictor. Yes, sir. Middle constrictor. Correct, sir. And this is the our inferior constrictor. इतना diagram बन जाएगा. Correct, sir. Now look here. The space in between the base of the skull and the superior constrictor is known as sinus of Morgagni. MCQ, very important question. What is the sinus of Morgagni? The space between the base of the skull and the superior constrictor muscle is known as sinus of Morgagni. Don't forget, it is very important, important. Okay. अरे कमेंट नहीं हो रहे, चलो हमने फूल भी भेज दिए, चलो हमने आग भी लगा दी, कमेंट करो, ये चलो मैंने धमाका भी कर दिया। यस, कीप कमेंटिंग बेटा, कीप कमेंटिंग। यस, ये देखो भाई, ये देखो, हमने तलवार भी भेज दिया। यस, रिमेंबर, एग्जाम का टाइम है, हमको जोश को कम नहीं करना है। याद रखो बच्चों, आज हिमालय की चोटी से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो ऐ दुनिया वालों, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। ओके, सो कीप कमेंटिंग, और बेटा दिलों में जोश जगा के चलो, अपने दिलों में आग भड़का के चलो। बिल्कुल हमको एग्जाम के टाइम में जोश भर के पढ़ना है। यस, वी आर गोइंग टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं हटना है। ओके, सो होप यू ऑल आर गेट रेडी। अंदर में बेटा जोश जगा के चलो, फोकस करो, हमको मजे लेकर के पढ़ने हैं। किसी ने गालिब से पूछा कैसे हो गालिब, गालिब ने कहा जिंदगी में दर्द है, दर्द में गम है, गम में मजा है और मजे में हम है। Yes, remember dear students, the study is very stressful situation, very stressful, but we are trying to make this one very interactive, very happy. So interaction is must, so keep commenting beta, keep commenting. Okay sir, so what you can see, sir, there are the gap between the our base of the skull and superior constrictor. There is a gap between superior constrictor and the middle constrictor. There is a gap between middle and inferior constrictor. Okay, what is the extent, sir? It is extending from base of the skull up to the lower border of the cricoid cartilage. Also you can say cricopharyngeal junction. So you have to write down extent also. Okay sir, now look, this is the diagrammatic presentation. During the exam you can show the superior constrictor, correct sir, the middle constrictor, correct sir, and this orange color is our inferior constrictor. 1 2 3, these constrictors are arranged at the upper part of the esophagus. Yes, that is the pharynx. Okay sir, now try to understand the origin insertion of the constrictor. It is not too much important, but just a few points we are going to look. Can you see, sir, superior constrictor, sir, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. Now we are cutting and we are looking from the lateral side. Try to understand better. Okay sir, this is our what? Tongue. Yes, so one question sure from the tongue in your university exam. In your university exam, tongue, thyroid, tonsil, very important. Tongue, thyroid, tonsil, sure the questions are asked. So this is our tongue. Now this tongue is attached to the our base of mandible. Yes, you can see the teeth also. Okay sir, now here is the our hyoid bone, lesser cornu, body and the greater cornu. Okay, sir. Can you see lower side? You have to draw the thyroid cartilage. This is our thyroid cartilage. Okay, quick revision, sir. This is our thyroid cartilage, and here is our cricoid cartilage. Okay, sir. Just behind to it, yes, sir. This is the our trachea. Behind to it, there is the our esophagus. Yes, sir. Esophagus. Now, can you observe, sir? This is our pterygoid plate, medial pterygoid plate. Yes, sir. This is the medial pterygoid plate, and behind the medial pterygoid plate, there is the attachment of our, yes, pharyngobasilar fascia. Sir, this is our pharyngobasilar fascia. So let's start the our origin. Yes, this is the styloid process. So we are talking about our superior constrictor. Okay, so superior constrictor, it is arising from the one hook-like structure arising from the medial pterygoid. Sir, this is the pterygoid humulus. First, it is not too much important, just one quick review. Now you can see there is a one ligament. Sir, there is a one ligament from the our pterygoid humulus to the our, yes, mandible part. Sir, this is the pterygoid humulus to the mandible. So pterygomandibular raphe. What is the raphe? I told you, sir, non-contractile part of the muscle, tendon. Sir, flat tendon is aponeurosis, and interdigitating fibers of the muscle or the tendon or the aponeurosis, yes, that is the raphe. So this is our pterygomandibular raphe, and you can observe, sir, here the muscle is taking origin from the our pterygoid humulus. Okay, sir, it is taking origin from the pterygomandibular raphe. Okay, sir, it is taking origin from the our, yes, it is having, it is showing the attachment to the tongue also. So it is having the origin from the tongue also. Okay, yes, you can see the origin from the part of the mandible. So it is running from here to the back side, and it will show the pharyngeal raphe part. Yes, sir. So these are the points which you have to remember. Origin of the superior constrictor. Now this is our middle constrictor. So this portion is showing the middle constrictor part. Okay, so the middle constrictor, it is arising from this particular ligament. This ligament is arising from the styloid process to the hyoid. So what is this? So this is the stylohyoid ligament, origin of the middle constrictor muscle, and also the few part is taking origin from the our, yes, hyoid bone. The origin. Okay, sir. Now can you see the our inferior constrictor? Sir, this is the inferior constrictor. This inferior constrictor is having the two part. Gold medal मिलेगा, अगर ये सब लिख दे तो gold medal मिलेगा. Yes, two parts. Sir, thyroid and pharynx. Thyropharyngeal part. Sir, cricoid and pharynx. Cricopharyngeal part. Yes. So two parts of the our inferior constrictor. Can you see this is having the origin from the oblique line in the thyroid cartilage? Yes, sir. And then it is going backside, taking insertion into the pharyngeal raphe, and you can observe it is having the attachment from the cricoid cartilage. So two part, thyroid to the pharynx, thyropharyngeus, cricoid to the pharynx, cricopharyngeus. सिंपल लप्पू सा एग्जाम है, झिंगूर जैसे क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे ही क्रैक कर देंगे, कुछ रखा थोड़ी है यार इन सभी में. ओके सर, नाउ लुक हियर अगेन, रिवीजन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू द नोट्स. सर, superior constrictor origin, pterygoid humulus, next pterygomandibular raphe, next posterior part of the tongue, and fourth mandible. खत्म, टाटा, बाय बाय, गया. मिडिल constrictor two origin, stylohyoid ligament, and next hyoid bone. खत्म. Inferior constrictor two part, thyropharyngeus, it is taking origin from the thyroid. That's why thyroid to the pharynx, thyropharyngeus. Yes, cricoid to the pharynx, cricopharyngeus. Now these all are showing the common insertion. Yes, these all are showing the insertion on posterior wall of the pharynx. Yes, that posterior wall that is making the interdigitation. Interdigitation is known as raphe. अपने हाथ को ऐसे करो और एक strong structure बनता है. Yes, this interdigitation of the muscle fiber tendon aponeurosis is known as the raphe, median raphe. Yes, which is attached to our pharyngeal tubercle also. Okay, sir. So after this all, we are going to look for the our inner longitudinal muscle. Yes, sir. There are the three circular muscle and three longitudinal muscle. What are the three longitudinal muscle? One is coming from the salpinx. Salpinx means tube, auditory tube. So you will say salpingopharyngeus. Another is coming from the palate, palate to the pharynx. So you will say palatopharyngeus. Another is coming from the styloid process to the pharynx. So you will say stylopharyngeus. So three muscles, three longitudinal muscle. Can you tell me what are the three longitudinal muscle? Salpingopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, and stylopharyngeus. Salpingopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, stylopharyngeus. Repeat with me again and again, and think about it. Origin is from the salpinx to the pharynx, salpingopharyngeus. Origin is from the palate to the pharynx, palatopharyngeus. Origin is from the styloid process to the pharynx, yes, stylopharyngeus. So you can remember the mnemonic also. What is your mnemonic, beta? Yes, SPS. You can remember salpingopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, and stylopharyngeus. Yes, sir. So you can observe this diagrammatic presentation. This is the INICET exam. Again, I want to tell you, beta, if your first MBBS is strong, if your theory is strong, you can crack every kind of the exam. NEET, PG, INICET, FMG, next आ रहा है बेटा, next आ रहा है और डरने की कोई बात नहीं. If your concept is strong, if your theory is strong, if you are with me, then your every part is strong because we are learning with the so many concept. Remember बेटा, मुश्किलें इंसान का हौसला आजमाती है, सपनों का पर्दा निगाहों से हटाती है. गिर गया गिरकर संभल ए आदमी, ठोकरे इंसान को चलना सिखाती है, चलना सिखाती है. First MBBS, in first MBBS we are getting the too much stress, too much tension, too much pressure from the department, from the new environment, from the new colleges, from the new friends also, and we are far from the home. Yes, in that situation we are building ourselves, and when we are building ourselves in the first MBBS, then definitely we will remain stronger, and the second MBBS, third MBBS, or final MBBS, and we will crack all the exam with the great power. Okay, hope you are getting the point. Yes, Surya Pratap Singh is here. Yes, very good Prachi. Thank you Prachi, thank you Surya Pratap. Yes, please beta spread this session link to all the first MBBS students. This is totally dedicated for the first MBBS student. Okay sir, so can you see this image, sir? This is our, yes, superior constrictor. Beautiful image from our Gray's Anatomy. We are looking for the Gray's Anatomy. Sir, this is our middle constrictor. And you can observe, sir, this is our inferior constrictor. Okay. So can you see there are the gap. This is the sinus of Morgagni, then gap, second gap, then third gap, and here is a fourth gap. When you will look from the behind, this is our base of the skull. Can you see? Same. This is our superior constrictor. Yes, sir. And you can observe, sir, this is our middle constrictor. And here you can see this is our what, sir? This is our inferior constrictor muscle. So beautiful. Can you observe this? All the muscles are taking insertion into the midline structure. Look, beautiful structure. Yes, lal full, neela full, anatomy beautiful. Can you observe it, sir? Here is the one midline structure, vertical structure. Just observe it. Yes, look here at this midline. So this vertical line is nothing. This is the pharyngeal raphe, which is the interdigitation of the fiber. Okay. Okay, sir. Now try to understand, sir. Here we can see the oblique fiber of the inferior constrictor, and this is our horizontal fiber of the inferior constrictor. So I will teach you later. There is a one triangular space, one triangular gap between the the thyropharyngeus and the cricopharyngeal part. Can you tell me? Anyone, can you tell me what is the name of this triangular weak area? What is the name of this triangular weak area? Please inform me better at the comment box. Okay, sir. So after this, sir, such kind of the image you will see. Same thing. Yes, we are doing the lots of the image practice for the first MBBS, for the INICET, for the NEET PG, or any kind of exam, USMLE, PLAB, everyone. Sir, this is our styloid process to the pharynx, stylopharyngeus. Sir, this is our, yes, palate to the pharynx, palatopharyngeus. And here you can see the inferior pharyngeal constrictor muscle. Agree बेटा? Yes. यहाँ पर कितने बच्चे होने चाहिए? सर यहाँ पर 100 स्टूडेंट्स होने चाहिए. यहाँ पर 100 स्टूडेंट्स होने चाहिए. So just enjoy the session बेटा. Just enjoy the session. Okay. Are you enjoying the session? Yes, I'm enjoying the session. Are you enjoying the session? If you are enjoying, please type the enjoying the session just like me. Okay, sir. Now the muscles of the pharynx. इतना याद रखना ही है. सोते, उठते, खाते, पीते, बिल्कुल भूलना नहीं है. Sir, muscle of the pharynx, two group. 3 outer circular, 3 inner longitudinal. Outer they are circular, outer they are circular, inner they are longitudinal. Yes, outer they are circular, inner they are longitudinal. So superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. While the 3 longitudinal, we had seen our salpingopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, stylopharyngeus. Remember this inferior constrictor, again repeating, this is very important. Sir, thyropharyngeus, and the lower part is the cricopharyngeus. Okay, so motor nerve supply, very most important. No excuse, very most important. 7 star. Okay, motor nerve supply, the best answer is the nerve bunch on the posterior wall of the pharynx, that is our pharyngeal plexus. In separate class I will teach you. This is formed by the vagus nerve and the accessory nerve, 11th nerve and our 10th nerve, so vago-accessory complex. But if not given, then you can opt the vagus nerve. So pharyngeal muscles, they are supplied by what? The controversial question from the I9CT NEET PG, FMG, vagus nerve. But a better answer than vagus, vago-accessory complex. But the best answer is the pharyngeal plexus. Except stylopharyngeus. Remember, in embryology part, I will teach you that yes, all the muscles of the pharynx, they are derivative of the fourth pharyngeal arch. So what is your answer? Vagus nerve. Better answer, vagus nerve plus accessory nerve, that is a vago-accessory complex. But along with that, the glossopharyngeal branch is also coming, that is the pharyngeal plexus. Okay, so this is the sequence of the your priority of the answer for the controversial question. The question will be asked, who is wife of Salmon Boy? None will be the answer. Okay, but you have to opt according to the update. Okay, fine. So that funny example, option will be the Aishwarya Rai, option will be the Katrina Kaif, option will be the Lulia, option will be the your, yes, you can say the Jacqueline Fernandez. But none will not be given, all of the above will not be given. So you have to opt with carefully this all the things. Okay, now try to understand. Except what? नो एक्सक्यूज, स्टाइलोफेरिंजियस. रिमेंबर, स्टाइल मारना है ग्लॉस के आगे. Yes, stylopharyngeus is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. Remember, it is the derivative of the third arch. And which is the nerve of the third arch? Sir, nerve of the third arch is the glossopharyngeal. So that's why it is supplied with the our, yes, glossopharyngeal nerve. This is the big concept. I told you in the pharyngeal apparatus video, beta. Please watch that. Anatomy में बेटा बिल्कुल नहीं रटना पड़ता. Anatomy is totally conceptual. Getting the point? Okay, sir. So now we are looking for the our nerve supply. Sir, motor nerve, one line, pharyngeal plexus. Okay, sir. Also, the stylopharyngeus is supplied to the glossopharyngeal nerve. So you can mention sensory nerve supply. Sir, general sensation, the pain temperature touch. They are supplied by, they are the pharyngeal plexus of the glossopharyngeal nerve. Main answer. And also the vagus nerve. Yes, spatial sensation, the taste sensation. Sir, this is the posterior most part, and the posterior most part is having the taste sensation by the vagus nerve. Getting the point, beta? Yes, this is the notes for all of you. Sympathetic nerve plexus. Every structure in the head neck face, the sympathetic nerve plexus is coming from the T1. Yes, from the superior sympathetic cervical ganglion. So this is the one separate topic I will teach you. Please comment if you need to understand the cervical ganglion, sympathetic ganglion. Please comment. Okay, if you will comment, if the demand will be there, we will come with the topic. Yes, now we are looking for the parasympathetic system. Parasympathetic system, you will see the secretomotor fiber. So remember, the secretion in our pharynx part, it is done by the greater petrosal nerve, which is the branch of the facial nerve, and the nasal palatine branch of the pharyngopalatine ganglion, pterygopalatine ganglion. Okay, sir. Now we are talking about our arterial supply. So do you remember in the face I told you about the arterial supply? Sir, it is the pharynx. Sir, it is the pharynx. So it is supplied by the ascending pharyngeal artery. Yes, everything is hidden in the name. इसके नाम में लिखा है बेटा pharyngeal artery. Yes, ascending pharyngeal artery is supplying the our pharynx. Ascending pharyngeal artery. Also, there is our facial artery which is giving the ascending palatine branch. So pharynx is here. जो नदी जहां बहती है, जहां रहती है, उस एरिया को सप्लाई करती है. सो विच आर्टरी इज हियर? ascending pharyngeal artery, which is the branch, first branch of the external carotid artery. Yes, also the facial artery, ascending palatine artery, also the lingual artery, dorsal lingual branch, it is close to the pharynx. Also the maxillary artery, it is giving the pharyngeal branch. Yes, lymphatic drainage, very important, very easy. Sir, here is the pharynx. So behind the pharynx, the lymph node, retropharyngeal lymph node. Yes, behind the pharynx, sir, there is our deep, yes, at the deeper part of the neck, deep cervical lymph node. Very easy. Pharynx is draining into the pharyngeal lymph node, retropharyngeal lymph node, and our cervical lymph node. Now we are going to integrate with the our, yes, different subject. This pharynx topic will be also seen in the, yes, our ENT, medicine, surgery, as well as the radiology. Okay, so where you will see the Waldeyer ring. Short note is asked, so remember, try to understand. Suppose this is our, yes, can you see, eyes, nose, ear. Yes, I had taken the detailed class. Pharynx actually beta 2 घंटे की class है, but we are summarizing with the quick revision because of your university exam. So can you see the oral cavity? Yes, sir. So here you can see the nasopharyngeal tonsil, and there is the our auditory tube. Here is the our tubal tonsil, and there is the our palatine tonsil, and this is the tongue part, lingual tonsil. So in the oral cavity, beta, what is happening? ऊपर क्या है, नोज. सो हियर इज द ग्रुप ऑफ द लिम्फेटिक्स, nasopharyngeal tonsil. What is the tonsil? Tonsil is nothing, aggregation of the lymphoid follicle, aggregation of the lymphoid follicle, that is known as the, yes, our nasopharyngeal tonsil. Yes, thank you Viraj, thank you Surya Pratap. And there is the opening of the auditory tube. तो ऑडिटरी ट्यूब के चारों ओर जो लिम्फॉइड फॉलिकल का एग्रीगेशन होता है, द लिम्फॉइड फॉलिकल अराउंड द ऑडिटरी ट्यूब, दैट इज नोन एज आवर, यस, ट्यूबल टॉन्सिल. एंड देयर इज अ टंग, सो अराउंड द टंग, yes, near the tongue, yes, there is our palate, so there is a palate, so palatine tonsil, and at the floor there is a tongue, so at the tongue lingual tonsil. So this circular arrangement of our, yes, lymphoid follicle is known as, yes sir, it is known as our, yes, you can say the Waldeyer ring. Waldeyer नाम का एक एनाटॉमिस्ट आया, उसने सर्कुलर फॉर्म में लिम्फॉइड का एग्रीगेशन दिया तो अपना नाम दे दिया. इंडिया के लोग खोजते तो क्या नाम होता, चिंटू रिंग, मिंटू रिंग, बबलू रिंग, गोलू रिंग. लेकिन अंग्रेजों के नाम ऐसे नहीं होते. क्या नाम था उसका, वॉल्डेयर. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट ना. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, डेफिनेशन, शॉर्ट नोट, एग्रीगेशन ऑफ द लिम्फोइड टिश्यू, okay sir, around the nasopharyngeal isthmus, okay sir, known as the tonsil. Remember, these are making circular ring like arrangement known as the Waldeyer ring. Yes, what are the parts beta? So you have to draw such kind of a diagram. This is circular ring, nasopharyngeal tonsil near the nose, yes, tubal tonsil near the auditory tube, yes, palatine tonsil near the palate, and the lingual tonsil near the tongue. So in case of the infection, it is enlarged, which is known as the tonsillitis. So remember, these 4 T are important: thyroid, tongue, tonsil, and temporomandibular joint. Sure shot. Remember, in the first MBBS exam, among these 4 T, 1 T is surely asked, and yes, 2 years before, ऑल द 4 T had been asked. इतना इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा कि चारों, थायराइड, टंग, टॉन्सिल और टीएमजे, सब के सब यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में आ गए थे. सो रिमेंबर, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, यस श्री, अमेजिंग टीचिंग सर, माय फर्स्ट क्लास. तो श्री की यहां पर पहली क्लास है. अच्छा मजा आ रहा है ना बेटा. प्लीज श्री शेयर दिस क्लास लिंक टू एवरी स्टूडेंट. मोर डिमांड, वी विल डू द मोर क्लासेस. और भाई श्री, तुम्हारा नाम भी श्री, मेरा नाम भी श्री, मैं हूं श्रीकांत वर्मा, तुम हो श्री, हम दोनों श्री, तो हम दोनों का कुछ हो सकता है क्या? चलो आओ दोस्त बन जाते हैं. ओके, यस. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू, देयर इज द क्लिनिकल in ENT, you will see adenoid. So remember, enlarged nasopharyngeal tonsil, enlarged nasopharyngeal tonsil is known as adenoid. Enlarged nasopharyngeal tonsil is known as adenoid. Okay, so entire chapter you will see in the ENT, and you will see one Killian's dehiscence. So try to understand, sir. There is the oblique muscle, thyropharyngeus. Sir, there is the horizontal muscle, cricoid attached, cricopharyngeus. So remember, the thyropharyngeus is oblique, the cricopharyngeus is horizontal. So there is a one triangular gap between this. So this is known as the Killian's dehiscence. This is known as the Killian's dehiscence. Remember, it is the potent weak area between thyropharyngeus and cricopharyngeus. The weak area between the thyropharyngeus, cricopharyngeus, weak area between thyropharyngeus, cricopharyngeus, known as Killian's dehiscence. Killian's dehiscence, very important. What happens? Yes, there is the outpouching of the mucosa between these two walls, known as the Jenker's diverticula. Remember, the outpouching of the mucosa is in between them. This is known as the Jenker's diverticula. So try to understand. At the time I am asking the ENT question, one old patient is coming to you. First thing, old patient, and he is having the dysphagia problem in the eating. Second question, second point. And third point, yes, mass in the neck. There is a one mass in the neck. And there is a halitosis, bad smell, because food particle is getting accumulated here. तो बेटा यहाँ पर फूड पार्टिकल जमा हो जाएगा, सड़ जाएगा, और जब वो बोलेगा तो बहुत बदबू आएगी. दिस इज नोन एज द हैलिटोसिस. व्हाट इज द नेम सर? इट इज नोन एज द हैलिटोसिस. Agree beta? Yes. So this is resulting the very bad smell. What is your diagnosis? Your answer is the Jenker's diverticula. Jenker's studied about it. That's what Jenker's, and outpouching of the mucosa is known as the diverticula. So you can see, sir, there is our, yes, thyropharyngeus. Yes sir. And here is our cricopharyngeus, correct sir? So there is a outpouching of the mucosa known as the Jenker's diverticula. So radiology integration. So we are doing the beautiful radiology and anatomy, conceptual brainstorming integration. Yes, my classes are famous for the conceptual brainstorming integration. I am teaching all the 19 subjects since 2009. So you will see the beautiful integration of the ENT, surgery, medicine, radio, everywhere. So you are doing the barium swallow. So barium is accumulating into the esophagus, but if there is a pouch on the back side, so the barium is getting accumulated here also. That is our diverticula. Sir, this is our, yes, Jenkins diverticula. Okay, so remember this point. Now another thing, there is the dysphagia, and one more point, pars ventrige. What is the pars ventrige? So gold medal, just see this one. Sir, there is our palate. Yes, hard palate and soft palate. Okay, sir, this is the our pharynx, and here is our tongue. So what happens when we are eating the food? This food is having the four pathway. It can go to the nose, but remember here the soft palate elevates upside, and it is getting attachment, it is getting form adhesion with one elevation, that is known as the pars ventrige, and it will cause blockage of the pathway. So food will never enter into the our nasal cavity. बहुत अच्छी बात है. That's why our food material is not coming through the nose. लेकिन जब हम खाते खाते बात करते हैं तब food material इधर से आ जाता है, because this pathway is not closed. So this pars ventrige is important. Yes, it is located on the posterior wall of the pharynx. It is located on the posterior wall of the pharynx. So remember, there is the our one muscle which is arising from the palate, and this is the pharynx. What should be the name? Palatopharyngeus. Yes, it is making the one circular pathway around the pharynx. Okay, so the upper part of this palatopharyngeus is known as pars ventrige. One thing you have to remember, upper part of palatopharyngeus. Yes, sir. P for palatopharyngeus, P for pars ventrige. Upper part of the palatopharyngeus is known as pars ventrige. Yes, it is located on the posterior wall of the pharynx, so it is responsible for the closure. Yes, there is the our larynx on in front side, but epiglottis will close this pathway, and when we are eating the food, the tongue will create the pressure high, so food is not coming to the oral cavity. So only one pathway is there. This food will go to the our oropharynx and the laryngophagus to the esophagus. So remember, this pars ventrige is important. Yes, when there is a cleft lip, cleft palate, clinical, when there is a cleft lip and cleft palate, remember this partition is not working properly, so the food material is coming back into the neck. Yes, sir, that time there is a hypertrophy of the pars ventrige. So these are the points for all of you. So hope you all enjoyed the session. So here we are ending the session. Remember, कोई तुमसे पूछे कौन हूं मैं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं. एक दोस्त है कच्चा पक्का सा, एक झूठ है आधा सच्चा सा, कभी हंसने का कभी रोने का, बस एक बहाना अच्छा सा. राहों का ऐसा साथी है जो दूर नहीं और पास नहीं. कोई तुमसे पूछे कौन हूं मैं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं. खास ना होते हुए भी ये एनाटॉमी सब्जेक्ट बेटा बहुत प्यारा है. होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड द सेशन. Please comment. Please ask if any doubt. Please ask if any doubt, beta. Yes. Please ask if any doubt. This is a quick revision to our class. We summarized. Pharynx is a very big class, but with the diagram, with the images, crazy anatomy. Yes, we covered the updates also, the clinical, the ENT surgery, all the things. You will definitely get the gold medal if you are writing the answer in this way, na? Okay, so thank you very much. So I am showing you the magic. Jate, yes, we are showing one magic. We will meet soon again. Yes, abracadabra, gili